Hello and welcome to Staple Streets. Today on my YouTube channel I will show you a nice and delicious continental recipe. But this recipe has a twist. We will give an Indian twist to it. I will take a whole breast of a chicken and I will cut through it and I will show you a nice recipe which is known as honeyless chicken. And without any further ado, let's get started. Here are my ingredients. I have two breast of chicken and this is diced onions. Lemons I've cut it into half, and four green chilies I have split it. You can see this is my tomato puree. I have ready-made. I have bought it ready-made, and this is honey which we will require. And I will show you my barbecue. This is my barbecue sauce. I will use in my chicken. And now let's get started. We'll marinate the chicken. We will put salt on top and black pepper. I have freshly crushed black pepper and just tap it. Do same to the other side also. Salt, black pepper, just rub it very well so that all the flavors will go inside. When we fry it, we will toss it. Now what I will do is I will sear the chicken. Just keep it in the pan and just lay it around. You can see my oil is piping hot. We have to do the same temperature for the oil so that chicken will not absorb the oil. It should be piping hot. So now you can see chicken is been cooking. See, you can see the chicken is been cooking from down. Just make sure the oil will get to every part of the chicken. Make sure that just 2 minutes on every side. You can see how chicken is been cooking evenly thick. You can see nicely golden color, flavor and shape. Just keep it from the every side of the chicken. It should cook. You can see chicken has been cooking evenly. You can see my chicken is been seared now. Now what I'll do, I'll take it out and I'll keep it for resting, and I'll do with the gravy process or the glaze process, which is our recipe name, honey glazed barbecue chicken. And let's do. Now in the same pan, what I'll do is I'll put little bit of ginger garlic paste in it. Little bit of ginger garlic paste. I stir it well. This gravy is a quick gravy. So now what I'll do, I'll add my chilies in it. Coated, it should be 94. Now I will add my tomato puree to it. Just a teaspoon of tomato puree. Teaspoon, or you can take half tablespoon. Just make sure it should cook. Tomato puree should cook evenly. You don't have to burn it. Now we will add our barbecue sauce, the main ingredient for our recipe. A couple of tablespoons So you have to add in it. Just make sure it cook evenly. Stir it very well. And when it is, you can see it is bubbling up. And now we will add our honey to it. A golden syrup. It's so sweet. Just mix it. And now this time we will add a warm water. We will add. Don't worry if it is too much, because it will get soaked into the chicken. At this point of view, we'll add our onions, which I have diced. And we will add our cornstarch also. It will thicken the gravy. You can see the sauce. And just let it mix it. What we'll do is now we'll not make it to the boil. What we'll do, we'll submerge the chicken, which has been resting for 5 minutes. We submerge the chicken in it. See, look at all the juices. We'll put inside. Just make sure we submerge all the chicken inside it, chicken breast of ours. And now this point, we'll lower the flame and cook it in slow flame for around 10 minutes or 8 minutes. You can see now our chicken has been glazed very well. You can see the glaze. Oh shit! See the glaze we have over here. See our chicken. See the glaze. Now the sauce is dripping. You can see it's a honey glaze. It is golden syrup. And now the sauce has been made and chicken has been sitting for 5 minutes. Now we will take it out. And yes, our recipe has been done. I'll show you now. So now what I'll do is I'll cut it diagonally. You can see, just let the knife do its work. We don't have to tear apart. You can see the pieces. These are the pieces. I'll cut and I'll do the rest of it. This is our honey glazed barbecue chicken. You can serve as main course also. You can have with your friends, family, or your special friends. And yes guys, if you like my recipe, just hit the like button and hit the bell icon so that my recipes will get in touch with you whenever I post a new recipe on my staple treat channel. And yes, share the video with your friends and subscribe my channel. Link in the description, and my ingredients I will give in my description section. And do comment, and if you want any recipe, just comment in the comment section. I'll try to do it for you. Thank you guys. Take care. Bye bye.